All right, let's talk about how you can create a new ad account on your Facebook account, right? So all you need to do is come to your new browser and search for adsmanager.facebook.ng admanager.facebook.com, right? Adsmanager.facebook.com is where you're going to. So make sure you're logged into the account. So once you click on type in the admanager.facebook.com, you're going to be coming to a page like this, and it's going to be showing you the ad manager if there is one on the account, right? So if there's no ad manager on the account, you just need to come to all tools and come to what is called business settings. I can see business settings somewhere around here. Where are you? Where are you? Business settings. Okay, very good. This business settings. Click on business settings, and it will load up and show you all the different setups that are available on the account. So here you can make different setups for that particular account, and it's very easy to use, right? So you can do any changes or make any changes on any business using your business setting options. You can see you can add admins, different people that you want to have access to the account. You can make them active or inactive. You can give them different access or extent of control, right? This person is having full control of this account, right? You can also add partners and system users. And so what we are concerned about is you come to accounts and click on add account, right? So you can see pages, business assets, apps, Instagram account, and WhatsApp account, right? So what we want to do here is to click on add account, and then there are two options that you can have, right? So the first one is that when you click on add here, it asks you to create a new ad account, and there's another option of adding an ad account from another business manager to this particular account. So that means you can do that addition here, or also you request an access to the account. I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. So in this particular video, the essence of this video is to show you how you can create a new ad account. So you click on create new ad account, and very simple, you just add it. Sorry for that. Ad account, hybrid ad account. I believe you're getting that. Okay. So once that is clear, all I need to do is fill in the other details, which is the time zone, which is correct, the currency, which is correct, and click on next. So you need to select now. So here now, if I'm creating this particular ad account for another business account or another client, all I need to do is click on another. But if I'm and then I'll select or put in the business ID or request for the business ID and put it here. And if it's for a new person, right, you need to just make sure you put it the ID business ID here as well, right? So but this particular one I'm creating is for this particular business manager. This hybrid end that you're seeing here is for this particular account that you're seeing here, right? So that's what I'm creating. This business hybrid end is what I'm creating this for. So I don't need to click on create, and then hold on a bit for it to load, and then voila, I'm done. Meanwhile, I need to select or give authorization to this ad account. I need to give authorization, right? So I'm adding people and setting permissions for this ad account. Once I do that, I click on assign, and the permission has been granted. Now this is the most important part of everything I've been saying. You need to add a payment info. Now what you do here will determine either you be having a prepaid account or a postpaid account, right? So now I'm going to be showing you how this actually happens. Let's go. Click on add payment information. Once you click on add payment information, you will be seeing this option of showing the details, and if the details are correct, you click on next, and then you wait, hold on, and then you're going to be seeing where you can select the payment options. Now if you want a postpaid account, and I've made different videos about this. So what's postpaid account? A postpaid account is an account whereby you run the ad and you pay later. Do you understand? So more or less that Facebook trusts you to you drop your card details and you shop. Maybe you want to buy something, for instance, you shop for a while and then you have your card details there. So when you're done shopping, they will now tell you, oh, so amount is the you've bought something worth $10. Then they charge you from the card that you have dropped. Now your prepaid now, which is this particular option, only allows you to be able to spend what you have allotted. Do you understand? So you are not dropping your card details. In essence, what you are doing here, you are telling them, okay, I have only 10,000 naira to spend, or $10 to spend that $10 for me. When it's exhausted, I will add another money if I need to run any other ad. So that's the difference between that. And depending on your region, if you're in America, Canada, Dubai, and other countries that have more better usage of the Facebook, I mean, what I mean by that is that if your country has a good relationship with Facebook when it comes to payment gateways, then the debit and credit card option would work for you. But if you are in mostly African countries, I would advise you to have prepaid option if it shows up. I've noticed that from my some of my subscribers that this option is not actually visible for them. So if this option, this pay you option you are seeing is visible for you, and this pay you actually is a Nigerian option, pay you, right? So this other, once you can see that you can pay with other options apart from debit credit card, then you are looking at using a prepaid account. So you can see that you can pay with a USSD. So if you want to add money using USSD, your code for in Nigeria, you have access to that. If you want to pay through bank transfer, you can also do that. So any of these three options would work for you. Meanwhile, don't click on I have an ad credit to claim. Well, this ad credit is actually worth $5, and it means that automatically you are going to be having a debit or credit, that is a postpaid account, right? Because you'll be owing Facebook automatically, and they will have to collect their money immediately. You understand what I'm trying to say? So let's go with this and click on next once you're good to go, right? The next thing I want to do now is to, so once I click on next, it will automatically integrate a particular payment method on this ad account. So even though I don't complete the process, I click on skip. Even though I don't complete the process, the account is automatically integrated as a prepaid account. And I advise you never to add your card and that particular previous option. So if you are adding money, you add the amount you want to add, click on next, and then when it shows you the payment gateway where you're going to make payment, then you make payment and then you go back. So you see that it has loaded up. So once it loads up and it's successful, you just have to go ahead and make your payment. I believe you've gotten that. So once you're done, you close this, and you will see that this was the ad account I just created, hybrid ad Naira 2. That's the second ad account I just created. And that's not all. You have to go to pages and connect this particular ad account to a particular page. So if you have a page on the account, you just need to add the page and then copy the URL or the name of the page, right? Copy it here. You can check for your pages, the list of your pages here, and you'll be able to know the kind of pages you have. So in this particular case, let's say I want to connect to Hybrid Expert Nigeria Limited. All I need to do is copy the name of the account, go ahead and put in the name here. If the logo is corresponding, I need to click on this, and then only people with full control. So that means I need to assign full control to this particular account, right? So I come here and click here and make sure that this person is assigned full control to this ad account, right? So the assignment is complete. Let's do the reassignment as well. Manage full control. Let's put full control for that particular account and then click on assign. Okay, then let's come back here. I believe this is even a different person. Is it the same person? Okay, you can see the name on this account is even from the name of the person that is showing up here. So we have to do more work on this particular account to be able to, you see, this is different person, right? Okay, so it's the same person, right? It's the same person. So whatever you are doing, all you just need to make sure you do is that you make sure that you are having authorization granted for the account, right? So this video, I think, is long enough that you will have been able to set up your ad account properly. So if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up if this video has been helpful so far. Thank you. I'll see you in other videos.